Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make green peppers with Bonito Flakes. Quick and easy, it's a typical side dish that we make very often, and it is also a perfect side dish for bento box. A hint of sesame seeds and sesame oil make this dish really tasty yet addictive. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut green peppers in half. Wash, remove the seeds, then lightly wipe off the border. Now thinly slice the green peppers. This is how I do. Place them in a microwavable dish and cover. Microwave on medium for 3 minutes. Drain if water comes out. Then add the seasonings and toss. You can keep it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
今日はピーマンに挑戦します。
食べてみて。
えらい！完食！